Hello, hello friends. So today I have got an update on this pharma as a sector. It's a very interesting formation, and the stocks discussed in the slide can be considered as buy on dip stocks. Yeah. So let's go with the slide. So here is the first slide. The second one. This gives the correct information on the Indian pharma industry. It has clocked a 4.4% year-on-year growth in September sales as COVID-19 drugs see a rise in demand. So if you see the month of January, February, and March, pre-COVID, before the lockdown, the sales were rising or in a positive direction. And afterwards, after the COVID, after the lockdown, it was -10, -8. In June, it was a bit positive to 2.9%. Then in July, zero point 0.7. August, it was negative by -2%. And again, in September, it has turned out to be 4.7 percentage. So this shows that it is coming back to the pre-COVID levels, yeah, which is a very good sign for the pharma industry. If you see the other slide, which it gives a very good information on the Indian pharmaceutical market that has given a growth of 4.7% year-on-year sales in September. This is a considerable jump from the 2% contraction in August. Means there was -2% growth in August, and is one of the best months for the domestic pharma sales since the outbreak of coronavirus. So this is the best month after the coronavirus. So let's see how it pans out for next months to come. I believe it is going to do very good. Now, companies that are in COVID-19 therapies have clocked a growth, an improvement in sales in September. If you see, Glenmark has a 37% year-on-year growth, is the highest among pharma companies, followed by Cipla, which had a 16% growth year-on-year growth, which is second, and which is also a very nice growth year-on-year. These two companies are doing very good as far as COVID-19 therapies are concerned. If you see the other slide, which gives an update on the COVID related drugs to be the key growth drivers. Yeah, now that is what the expectations is from one of the financial advisory services limited analyst. Yeah, they're saying Cipla and Glenmark during Q2 FY21, the key drivers will be COVID related drugs because the other sales were not have not picked up. Cipla is likely to benefit from higher sales of remdesivir and tocilizumab. Yeah, so these two medicines were used for the treatment of COVID-19 patients, and Cipla has had or has the exclusive rights to source these medicines. Glenmark is expected to benefit from the sales of favipiravir, favipiravir, which was first launched by Glenmark, and so because of that also they'll be having a good sales as far as this quarter is concerned, and they are also expecting a marginal positive impact to Dr. Reddy's and Cadila from remdesivir sales. That is also a COVID drug which is used in most of the cases, yeah, on most of the severe cases, and the demand is so huge for this particular medicine. So that is going to reflect in their quarterly numbers, especially Cipla, Dr. Reddy's. Then now Cadila also comes into picture. So there are 4 5 companies which are having the license to produce this particular medicine. And there is one more interesting information, like I read in the articles, which I thought to share with you. That is the chronic drug sales, such as cardiac, anti-diabetic, and neuro categories, have also shown improvement. So these particular drugs also shown improvement, which is very good sign, very good pickup for the pharma industry. Demand for vitamins and minerals also shot up by 16.3% in volumes in September. Now this there are a lot of companies making vitamins and minerals, so you can search on that and buy those stocks for a good future. See, this is going to be an habit going forward, that people who are doubting, their immunity is not good, they are going to take up this They're going to bring this vitamins and minerals into their lifestyle. So obviously, the sales of this vitamins and minerals are going to increase over a period of time, and this is a game changer for few of the companies. This information particularly. Yeah. However, some of the heightened expectation for COVID-related drug launched may already be reflected in the stock prices. This is what expectations are also there, that some of the prices have doubled. So they are expecting that the stock prices have factored in the demand of these medicines. But my expectation is that although it may have factored in and the price must have shot up so sharply for many of the drug companies, but it may consolidate for some time, and this is just going to be the beginning of the pharma, like rise. Pharma sales will rise, pharma profitability will rise, and obviously the share prices will rise. This is what my expectation is. So you can decide upon, you can do your own analysis, and then you can decide upon what to buy and what not to buy, and what and which areas or which companies you want to invest in. But this is an information update which I wanted to share with you because I felt it is very important. This is a disclaimer. This is just purely for educational purpose, not a stock recommendation. Everyone should do their due diligence before investing. This is my personal view, and everyone should take the decision of any stock I talk about by doing their own independent research. I'm merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. This particular information, partial informations were taken in this last slide are from the newspaper dated 7/10/2020. Article titled COVID-19 domestic drug sales may benefit landmark supply. Yeah. So this was an article which I went through, and I felt that it should be shared with everyone so that everybody gets an idea on the pharma sales. Hope you like this video, friends. Thank you.